Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Destruction of Comet C 2026 A1 Maps. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a video clip and it will run about 8 seconds. So it's real quick. I'm going to put it on repeat in a minute here and we'll take a look at it. But what it is going to show is the comet coming very close to the sun and then getting destroyed. Now, the images that we see here are put together from multiple images and multiple observatories. And in fact, the video took 40 hours worth of data put together. So it's not a real-time video. It is very much a time-lapse looking at many hours worth of material. Now, the different images here put together, the blue looks at the wider angle coronagraph and the red at the narrower angle coronagraph, both looking from the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory looking at the sun. Now that gives us a wider field view and then a more narrow field view that we can see. The sun itself is masked out by a coronagraph, blocking out the sun, allowing us to actually see the corona. And then, as you can see, there's an image of the sun that was edited back in just for show there. So let's go ahead and play the video, and as I said, it will repeat over and over again, but what we're seeing starting to the lower left is the comet coming in, heading toward around the sun, and then you'll see a few seconds later it comes around the other side, but it's been distorted, it is coming apart, and it actually is just a big cloud of debris that has been vaporized. So comets will do this. Some of them will come in very close to the sun like this. This one coming at a distance about half the distance between Earth and Moon. So it's really close to the sun, and that's just too much for a comet, which is an icy body, mostly icy materials, water ice and other ices, as well as some little bits of debris, some dust that is mixed in with it as well. Well, that coming too close to the sun with its strong gravitational field and its heat will end up destroying a lot of comets. Now, that doesn't happen to every comet. Some comets don't come in so close to the sun, and they can survive many trips around our sun. Halley's Comet is one of those that is well known that returns every 76 years. Other comets come in only once and may get too close to the sun, such as this one, and end up being destroyed. And other comets actually exist much further away, but do not ever come close to the sun, so we never actually see them with the distinct pattern of a comet that we're used to seeing. And that would mean seeing the head and the tail of a comet, as we see in our picture today, as the object comes in and then comes out the other side as just a cloud of debris, having passed too close to our sun and being destroyed. So that was our picture of the day, titled Destruction of Comet C 2026 A1 Maps. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be galactic antennae. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.